Hi, I'm Angela, and these are my mom's funghi trifolati. I don't know how to say trifolati in English, but these are delicious mushrooms. These are the ingredients, and this is the recipe. First of all, we start removing the earthy part from the mushrooms. I chose champignon mushrooms because they're always delicious, and I wanted to play it safe. But for this recipe, it's fine any kind of mushroom. When you finish, remove the earthy part, wash them with water, and then start cut them. They have to be thick, close to this. If you find hard, cut them this way. You can lean on a cutting board and it will be fine either way. Done. At this point, we move to the ovens. Put a medium flame, and in a pan we put 3 giri d'olio. In Italy, giro d'olio means literally a round of oil, and is an Italian measurement. Now we pour the mushrooms in the pan and we add granular garlic. I put about a half spoon. Then about 1 spoon of salt, but you can put less, and in case add it later if you feel it's needed. Add also a cup of water at the beginning. These are about 50 millimeters, and let it cook, stirring now and then. It will take around 20 minutes. If while cooking you feel they get too dry before they're ready, add some water and keep cook them. When they seem ready, turn off the flame and add parsley. I use the frozen one for convenience. Stir again and your mushrooms are ready. Now you can use these mushrooms however you want. You can eat them by yourself, or you can put them on a sandwich, or on the pizza, or with risotto. Your choice. Bye!